The Nile crocodile. More than a snap. You've seen the jaws snap, heard the splash. But did you know it strikes faster than a blink with a bite force of 3,700 psi? Far more than a mindless predator. It's a creature of calculation, ancient yet lethal, silent yet surgical. In this episode, we meet the crocodile, not as a relic, but as a tactician. Armor and ambush. Scales reinforced with bone, near impenetrable armor. Those scales aren't just tough, they're tactical. Each plate is a natural body shield, and beneath the armor, patience. Crocodiles hold position for hours. No movement, no sound, just eyes above water, waiting. Stillness isn't rest, it's readiness. Jaws and force. Their bite force reaches 3,700 psi, stronger than a lion or most sharks. But they don't chew, they crush, then they twist. The death roll isn't chaos, it's physics. A rapid spin that disorients prey, tears flesh, and breaks bone. It's not rage, it's engineering. Precision and pressure. Crocodiles strike within milliseconds. Their jaws snap shut faster than the blink of an eye. They don't chase, they calculate. They memorize watering holes. They learn migration patterns. They strike when prey is vulnerable, drinking, distracted, or cornered. Timing isn't luck, it's lethal logic. Territory and tension. Males clash over riverbanks. Size matters, so does strategy. They posture, they lunge, they lock jaws in underwater battles that can last hours. Victory isn't just dominance, it's access to space, to mates, to kills. Survival and extremes. Crocodiles go for months without food, even up to a year. They slow their metabolism, they wait. They survive droughts, floods, and famine. Crocodilians have outlived empires, ice ages, and extinction events, not because they're lucky, but because they're built for extremes. More than a snap. So next time you see a ripple in the river, remember, it's not just danger, it's design, it's dominance, it's discipline. The Nile crocodile is not just a predator, it is a keeper of lethality, a master of ambush. And this is just the beginning. Don't forget to watch our tribute music video to the Nile crocodile, master of ambush. If you enjoyed this journey into the Nile crocodile secrets, you can help unlock the Guardians of the Wild YouTube course. I am currently busy with another module and your support can bring it closer. Link in the description. Join us next time as we meet the black-backed jackal, a creature of cunning, clarity, and quiet resilience.